Hello trader, welcome back to another daily analysis looking at DXY, Euro dollar and British pound US dollar. These three instruments currently showing trend as with the new market open earlier. We can see that there was a significant liquidity sweep from this lower time frame resistance on DXY. And with the DXY movement, also we can expect Euro dollar and British pound US dollar to move just in the mirror direction. So starting with first of all DXY, looking at monthly chart to see that overall direction in this market. Now we can see that DXY, this is a new monthly opening as a first trading day, and as soon as the price open, we can see the price after this initial pullback, the market started to drop again back below. As the previous monthly candlestick pattern has liquidity sweep, it crossed this swing high here and rejected as a monthly doji. This month we can expect DXY to be significantly bearish potentially, and at least we can expect the market to break this previous swing low here. If we look at the weekly price action here on DXY, we can see that from the weekly, where there is a weekly bearish engulfer here, and this current weekly price action, that we can see the price has uh, retested this previous high, and we can see the price has got the rejection from that level. That can give DXY further bearish trading opportunity here, and I think that DXY might even form a head and shoulder here from the weekly perspective that can bring that market back below here to this long-term support level. As if we see this weekly doji a couple of weeks ago, that we have seen EXY bounce back to the upside, and this is an imbalance in the market which has not been tested by the seller here. So looking at daily price action here, now previous daily price action, we saw that a bearish engulfer which is across that green doji's high and closed as a bearish engulfer with a full body candle close. And today we can see the market after initial pullback, the price again breaking below in the direction of the major trend. And as there is a double top on the daily, the market may potentially continue to drop here back below to this support level here, and that's where we can expect that local lower time frame downtrend here on DXY. Now that being said, if we look at the 4-hour chart here, that we can see this candle is closing in around 36 minutes from this time of recording, and we can see that the previous session was a green candle. Now this green candle has crossed this previous red candle's high, closed as a long wick, so there is a selling pressure here, followed by this session the market crossed that high again, uh, entirely rejected back below. So that's signaling potential trend continuation here. That means that impulse correction with a liquidity grab, and expecting another impulse back below here to this support level here on DXY. Now therefore, as DXY after closing this candle, which is potentially could close as a bearish engulfer, we can expect the market to continue to trend. And euro dollar, we can see that just the mirror of DXY. Now looking at an invert scale, that you can see that euro dollar also forming a big bullish engulfer here, which is the green berry looking like from the inverted scale, showing as a downside. Now this candle, the only difference that we can see on euro DXY has passed the previous one's low here. With this, if we go back to the regular scale, then we can see the market has passed this previous one's high, while euro dollar didn't pass that low. And that is where the showing that euro little stronger than DXY. So here is the market. What I think that after this candle close, we can expect the market to come down for a pullback on the lower time frame, and this is the support. The price might respect that low here, expecting the market to continue to trend back above here to create a new higher high. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity here on euro dollar, we can look for going long with a high probability trade setup. Now, looking at British pound US dollar, that we can see on GBPUSD in the same way from the monthly chart on British pound US dollar, we can see that from the monthly closed as a GBPUSD, which is also bullish rejection from this support level. There was a bull flag that you can spot on the lower time frame on GBPUSD that has broken back below and closed as a bullish candlestick pattern. We could see the market potentially to continue to rise back here. So if we look at the weekly price action on British pound US dollar, we can see that there is a weekly bullish engulfer followed by very narrow smaller candlestick pattern formation on GBPUSD, giving a possibility for this market to continue to rise back again to create a new higher high. Looking at daily chart on GBPUSD, we can see that after this daily doji, there was a narrow doji. Today as well, the market, whenever coming down, the buyers is showing a possible break to the upside here, and that is what expecting that GBPUSD to give us a potential bullish trading opportunity here in that market. So this is where looking at British pound US dollar to potentially bounce back here to cross this high to create a new higher high. So any liquidity sweep in that area on GBPUSD can give us an entry opportunity on the lower time frame. As soon as you will find suitable entry, you'll be looking to go long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.